In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trust Wallet to DEX Screener. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to establish a direct connection between your Trust Wallet and DEX Screener. You will be able to do this primarily by using the Trust Wallet extension, so if you don't have it already, make sure that you go through the process of downloading and setting up the extension on your browser. It is simple to do, but of course you will have to download it from usually the Chrome Web Store and sign in using your account. Once it is set up and you have the extension good to go, DEX Screener will give you the option to directly connect your Trust Wallet. So on the website, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and tap on the settings icon located here at the right side of your username. Upon going into the settings, you will see details about your account, what you are signed in with, and you will find the option to connect different wallets. So choose Connect Wallet. And if you have the extension installed, it is going to be detected. If it doesn't appear right away, it could indicate that it was not installed properly or that you need to restart your browser. So restart the browser until it appears on the list, and now all that you have to do is tap on it directly. Immediately upon selecting Trust Wallet, the extension should pop up. So you will see at the top right corner of the screen, and you will be able to sign in using your password. So input your password here, unlock your account, and agree with the options. So it is going to say connect to Trust Wallet. It allows the viewing of wallet balance and activity, allows sending requests for transactions. However, it won't directly move funds without your permission. So you can safely go ahead and choose the option to connect if you agree with these permissions and terms. Once you choose connect, there is going to be one more signature request that you have to go through. So make sure that the origin is correct, dexscreener.com. Ensure that it is the official website. You will see all of the details here. And if it looks okay, your Ethereum account wallet address matches up, you can tap confirm and finish making this connection. All of this can be done by using the Trust Wallet extension. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Trust Wallet to DEX Screener. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.